Hey, welcome back. We're entering into another Christmas season, and we're going to start looking at some Victorinox Christmas knives again. Today's knife will be the 2018 All You Wish For Climber by Victorinox. Stay tuned, and we'll see if you get what you wish for. The 2018 All You Wish For Climber by Victorinox. It's part of their Christmas Special Edition series, which from 2015 till 2019 was known as the White Christmas series. From 2019 till at least 2021 so far, it was known as the Winter Magic series. Now this knife comes in a nice little collector's box that measures 4 3/4 of an inch long, 3 inches wide, and about 1 9/16 thick. Carried an identifier number of 1.3704.7 Echo 1 and was limited to about 15,000 units. As we slide off our sleeve here and open our box, we're going to see that we have a nice padded case for our climber knife. Then underneath the knife we get our standard care use and maintenance pamphlet. Now the climber model is often used for their special edition knives, and we've looked at several of those on this channel. It adds the scissors to the standard Spartan model. It is a 91mm knife, 3 layers wide, right at 5/8 of an inch scale to scale. Being a 2019 knife, we're going to get the current tool lineup for that time period, which is the newer style. So we get our keyring in the post-1991 location for obvious reasons. We get our 4-turn solid corkscrew. We have the place in the scale for the straight pin, but we do not get it on this model. And then we get our precision eyeglass screwdriver with the hexagonal handle and no patent stamp, a little bit shorter. This has been the current precision screwdriver since 2009. We get the multi-purpose hook, which was added in 1991 and often accompanies the scissors layer on these knives. Get the post-1985 pattern of reamer awl, sharpened edge, and the sewing eye. The standard opening layer with the can opener that also functions as a Phillips screwdriver. The cap lifter with the post 85 90-degree stop. The hollow ground screwdriver and the wire bender wire stripper. We get the scissors, which are what make it the climber model. They're the post-2000 variety with the cadmium rivet, a little bit thinner handles, and the spring guiding groove that was added in 1990. We get the standard main blade. And for tang stamp, we get Victorinox Swiss made stainless, Officer Suisse on the back. That tang stamp has been current since 2011. We get the standard pen blade, again current since '73. We get the toothpick, which has 25, has a number on it. Again, I've never figured out what the numbers mean. And then the tweezers with the post 78 plastic tip. Another look at those green scales. The nice gold embossed snowflakes. Then on the back you get the slogan, also embossed in gold, of all you wish for. Now some related models to this, the climber in general, would be the Spartan that removes the scissors and has 2 layers. The 3-layer Super Tinker that exchanges the corkscrew for a Phillips screwdriver. Then the 4-layer Victorinox Deluxe Climber at 4 layers that adds pliers. How many times can you say 4 layers? So if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another.